January the 3rd, 2024, 10 till 10. We're going to look at a 2000 Chevrolet Express van. It's, I think, a 1500 and it's a passenger type. I don't think I'm going to be able to use this. It may be a different engine, transmission. It's a blue in color. So all the all the body parts look good, but I'd have to paint anything I needed. Since it's an upgraded van, the grill, the bumpers are different, but it's close, and so I figured I'll go take a look at it and just see. And depending on what I can use, what I can't use, will determine my offer. And he may not want to take what I offer, you know, and all that's fine, all that's good. So we'll see how it goes. And this morning, the 97 Jeep, see the deer, hit the deer. You do not have time to react. I'll put pictures of the Jeep on when I get back. And it was either, I was going to go in it today, but either the deer, you know, ran off and is okay, or ran off and died somewhere, or somebody's already got it. So when I went back, but yeah, I need 2 doors for a 97 Cherokee. Need the little silver pinstripe on the doors. I don't know anything about body work, so I don't think, looking at it though, I don't think I can fix these doors easily. I guess it'd be something I could give a shot at, but for the heck of it, wouldn't be out of anything. But I'm gonna be looking to see. I need a parts Cherokee too, so I've been looking for one, but everything's been so high. But yeah, I need 2 driver's side doors and a mirror. Okay, let's turn this one off. Let's see, what's the temperature here? Probably 40 degrees. Went down to about 29 last night. 41 degrees going to 54, 29 tonight, 49, 31 tomorrow, 44, 38 Sunday, Monday, 47, 26, and it's showing 72% chance of rain. We may get some snow. And I suspect it's going to be colder at night than what they're saying. It just seems like it gets now colder than what they're saying here lately. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll turn it back on when we get closer, then we'll get video of the van, and then if we get it, we'll try to get it back. I don't know if Frank's coming up to the shop today or not. This may be cat day, where he stays down and spends a day with his cats. So I may have to wait until tomorrow, or either late this afternoon, to go pick it up. Or he may drive it over here to the shop for me. I don't know. We'll see, but I've got my doubts about whether we're actually going to get it or not. We're getting close to where the van is, but he hadn't texted me back yet telling me that he's back home. So we won't stop. We'll just go on. Yeah, people think, well, I'll have time. If you see a deer, whatever like this, and that's like a bunch of other type of accidents, construction accidents or whatever. You think you've got time to react or whatever? You don't. By the time you see something, you know, that's like that deer. See the deer, hit the deer. It was instantaneous. You just don't have reaction time. By the time you realize what's happening, it's already all over and done. There's a big Jackson County subdivision we need to check out. We might go back and check that out. Make a video of it. But yeah, we're going to need. I may give those doors a shot, but I'll be wasting my time, I think. But like I say, right now I'm looking for a parts Jeep, part Cherokee white, 2 good driver's side doors, and a mirror. Well, we're headed to take a look at the van. He's home now. I said this picture doesn't do the damage justice. I can open the driver's side door from the inside, but not the outside. I'm not going to try to roll down the windows. I don't want to get them stuck. Unless I can find some cheap doors, I will try to mess with it myself, but I won't do anything but make a mess of it because I don't know anything about body work. I could swap, if anybody's got some white Cherokee doors, I could swap all, you know, parts off of that 98 for a couple of doors. It's a shame I hadn't been able to find a white Cherokee yet. I'll keep looking. That would be the real easy solution. But we'll see. We're going to go take a look at that van and see if it is worth enough to us, if we can get enough parts off of it to make it worthwhile. But I do have my doubts with it being painted blue and only a 1500 instead of a 2500. Don't even know if it's the same engine and transmission until we get over there. Okay, it should be right up here on the left. There it is. Okay, well, let's check it out and see what we think. Yeah, it was like I thought. There's not enough on it that I can use. It even had a vacuum boost on the brake instead of a hydro boost. But I wanted to show y'all we're on the, I guess we are on the east, north, south, east, west. No, we'd be on the west side of the Oconee, middle Oconee. I don't know if you can see over this or not. Let me turn it off until we can get a better view. I want you to see across the valley, across the river over there to all those other houses over there. Okay, I think you're going to be able to see across the valley over there. Middle Oconee is between these two subdivisions, or between these two hills. And of course, we got a bumper car turning in right behind us. Yeah, look out across there. Hills are just slap full over there. Okay, maybe you can see them better over there now. All these slab houses. See how close they are to the street? See how you can't even get two cars in there without sticking out in the street, covering up the sidewalk. There's no room for their stuff. Their stuff is in the garage. You can barely get one little car in the driveway, much less two big cars. Got some vacant land, build a storage unit. Those people are going to have their stuff. And like I said, Middle Oconee is right down here. Middle Oconee watershed. In the next 10 years, vacant land is going to be slap full of these slab houses, townhomes, apartments. Gridlock in capital letters. All these subdivisions feeding state highways, feeder roads, trying to get on and off at the interstates, at the exits. I don't know what all these people do for a living. Okay, well, this got nothing to do with looking at a vehicle, does it? Let's go ahead and cut it off. This will be a wrap.